Hi friends, I want to share with you my recipe for meat in French. This is one of the first meat dishes that I learned to cook when I learned the basics of cooking. Pork baked in the oven with tomatoes and cheese turns out to be very soft, tender and literally dissolves in your mouth. First of all, we will prepare the products. Cut the pork into pieces about 1.5 to 2 centimeters thick. Cover the prepared meat with cling film and beat it properly. Beat off the meat on both sides. Making a marinade. In a separate container, mix the vinegar, oil, chopped garlic, salt and spices. Fill the pork with marinade. In the meantime, the pig is pickling the washed tomatoes, cut into slices. Cut the peeled onion into rings. Grate cheese. Grease a baking sheet or any other heat-resistant form with vegetable oil and lay out the beaten meat. Grease the meat with mayonnaise or sour cream. Put onion rings on top, then circles of tomatoes. Lightly salt the tomatoes. Again a thin layer of sour cream and generously cover with grated cheese. We send pork to an oven preheated to 180 to 200 degrees for 40 minutes. The French meat is ready. It turns out to be very juicy and so tender that it literally melts in your mouth. I advise you to definitely cook meat according to this recipe. Bon appetit! Delicious and aromatic dishes for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you.